Join me as I dive deep into Fliki AI and try to predict how it will shape the future of artificial intelligence in 2024. Fliki AI is a groundbreaking tool in the AI landscape of 2024, and today we're going to explore its impact on various industries and see why it's generating so much buzz. Before we dive into the world of Fliki AI, let's take a step back and talk about the challenges that content creators and businesses were facing. For a long time, producing high-quality content was a tedious task that required a lot of time, effort, and resources. From research to writing, editing, and publishing, the process was not only time-consuming, but also prone to errors. Businesses struggled to create content that resonated with their audiences, and as a result, engagement was low, and conversion rates were even lower. The lack of personalization in content was another major issue. With the rise of social media, people were bombarded with generic content that didn't speak to their individual needs or interests. This led to a high bounce rate, low engagement, and a general feeling of disconnection between brands and their audiences. Furthermore, the cost of producing high-quality content was prohibitively high, making it inaccessible to small businesses and individuals. The need for a more efficient, cost-effective, and personalized content creation process was evident. And that's where Fliki AI comes in, a game-changing tool that's revolutionizing the way we create and interact with content. Fliki AI's advanced algorithms and machine learning capabilities allow it to understand the nuances of human language and behavior, enabling it to generate high-quality, personalized content at scale. With Fliki AI, businesses can create content that resonates with their audiences, increasing engagement, conversion rates, and ultimately, revenue. The tool's ability to automate repetitive tasks, such as research and editing, frees up time and resources, allowing content creators to focus on what matters most, creating exceptional content that tells a story. One of the most impressive features of Fliki AI is its ability to learn and adapt to user behavior. As users interact with content generated by Fliki AI, the tool learns and improves, refining its understanding of what works and what doesn't. This means that the more Fliki AI is used, the better it becomes, allowing businesses to continually refine and improve their content strategy. But what really sets Fliki AI apart is its ability to drive innovation and creativity. By automating routine tasks, Fliki AI gives content creators the freedom to think outside the box, explore new ideas, and push the boundaries of what's possible. We've seen businesses use Fliki AI to create immersive experiences, interactive stories, and even AI-generated art. The possibilities are endless. One key moment that showcases Fliki AI's capabilities is its role in helping a leading marketing firm increase its engagement rates by over 300%. By using Fliki AI to generate personalized content, the firm was able to tailor its messaging to individual users, resulting in a significant spike in engagement and conversion rates. This success story is just one example of how Fliki AI is changing the game for businesses and content creators. Fliki AI's success is a testament to the power of artificial intelligence in revolutionizing the way we create and interact with content. As we move forward, it's clear that Fliki AI will play a critical role in shaping the future of artificial intelligence and its potential impact on content creation. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of Fliki AI. If you're ready to take your content creation to the next level, Fliki AI is the tool for you. By purchasing Fliki AI through the link in the description below, you'll not only be getting a fantastic tool, but also supporting this channel. So don't miss out. Click the link below to get started with Fliki AI today. And if are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you.